Verifying your Coinbase account is essential for ensuring the security of your transactions and complying with regulatory requirements. Follow these steps to complete the verification process. Step 1. Create an account. Visit the Coinbase website or app and sign up for a new account by providing your email address and creating a password. Make sure to use a strong password for added security. Step 2. Confirm your email. Check your email inbox for a confirmation message from Coinbase. Click on the link provided in the email to verify your email address and activate your account. Step 3. Provide personal information. Log into your Coinbase account and navigate to the verification section. Enter your personal information, including your full name, date of birth, and address. This information is necessary for identity verification. Step 4. Upload identification. Prepare to upload a valid form of identification, such as a driver's license or passport. Follow the prompts to take a clear photo or upload a scanned copy of your ID as required by Coinbase. Step 5. Wait for approval. After submitting your identification, wait for Coinbase to review your documents. This process may take a few minutes to a couple of days. You will receive a notification once your account is verified. Once your account is verified, you can start using Coinbase to buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrencies securely.